With great power comes with great responsibility. AI is great power. Ganun lang kasimple, business owners.
On the next episode of Evitalk Podcast Season 3.
Let us all welcome Miss Jasmine De Luna. Jess, bakit ka naman nananakot na maraming mawawalan ng trabaho dahil sa AI?
Hindi ko naman sila Miss Joyce tinatakot. Sinasabi ko lang sa kanila yung totoo.
And yung misconception ng mga tao sa AI, di ba, maraming negative nga dito.
People who know how to use AI better than you will take your job. AI can do that in a snap.
Why not subukan mo, i-explore mo para mabago yung buhay mo?
You can either adapt or get left behind.
Innovation is very important talaga sa mga company.
Yeah. I'm not scaring you. I'm informing you.
Alam mo lang, ito yung nakita mong opportunity for all people.
I know na nanonood kayo. Even if hate yung messages.
Yun yung naging experience mo before. Walang nagmulat sa'yo.
Jazz, hindi ako nag-give up para sa'yo. Kahit ako lang talaga nakakita, baliw na ang tawag nila sa akin. Para lang mapunta ka dyan. With great power comes with great responsibility. AI is great power. Alam kong mukha kang pera.
Kailan ba namang ayaw sa pera?
Exactly. I receive. The only way to do that is you have to learn it, right? Because early adapters win in the era of AI. Ganun lang kasimple, business owners. So good job na napanood mo to.
Watch it live on our Evitalk Podcast social media channel every Monday to Saturday, 4:30 p.m. and on TV every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 2:30 to 3 p.m. Every Tuesday to Thursday, 4:30 to 5 a.m. Every Saturday and Sunday, 10:30 to 11 a.m.